Welcome to Peninsula Capital. Today I'm going to talk about the technical analysis of continental resources in the daily chart. And we can see that we have formed this very beautiful bull flag. So we have a very nice and very strong move to the upside and then a very corrective move to the downside. And if we take a closer look at the lows and the highs, we can also see that in this uptrend, they are not overlapping. So this low is not overlapping with this high. This low is not overlapping with this high. This low is not overlapping with this high. So also from this perspective, this is a very strong move to the upside and there's no sign of hesitation from the buyers. And if you take a look at this correction, we can see that this high is overlapping with this low. So we are in the downtrend, but this indicates that there is still pressure from the buyers to the upside. And if we take right now a look also at different setups from different oil companies, they are quite similar, also indicating that there is still pressure to the upside, although we have made this big rally in the last 2 months. Now we have to take a look if this correction is sufficient, because if it's too high or too low, the probability is not very high that you see a continuation to the upside. And you want to see a correction which is between 38 and 60% of this previous pole. And right now we are at around this 38 Fibonacci retracement levels. So from this perspective, this correction is sufficient. So now we come to the setup. The target is the 1-to-1 projection of this pole. So our target would be at around $71. Our entry point is the last significant high of this downtrend. So this would be at around $53.50, because if we surpass this last significant high, this downtrend is not valid anymore. Because if you're going long right now, you will still act against the trend. And this is never a good idea. So you have to wait for confirmation. And my stop would be around $47.60. So now we take a look at the risk reward ratio. So our upside potential is around 32% and our risk is at around 11%. So this leaves us with a risk reward ratio of around 3, and this is pretty good. Now I want to mention one further thing. This still can change. As I said, we are in a downtrend. So it is possible that we form a new high and a new low. And if we would do that, our entry point and also our stop would change. So our entry point would be the last significant high, as here, and our stop would be the last significant low, and also our target would change a little bit to the downside. So this is always very dynamic, especially if you're trading bull flags. And if you're trading bull flags, as I said before, always wait for confirmation, because as I said, if you are going long right now, you are acting against the trend. You enter the trades, although you are still in the downtrend. So thanks for your time. If you have questions, if you have different perspectives, please put them down into the comment section. And I wish you good luck with your trading. Bye bye.